Okay. Welcome to Jeremy's Garden. I'm Jeremy. And if you haven't done so already, get out, dig in, feel your worries melt away. We're looking at a wireless microphone. This one is a USB, not USB. Just kidding, psych! It's a lightning adapter for a wireless lavalier. Package is very, very small. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. And okay. There we go. Okay, so what do we got? We got a charging doohickey. Oh yeah, this is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I mean, that's cool. I mean, that's awesome. And yeah, USB-C to Lightning. But this is the Lightning. But it charges by USB-C. So, okay. Awesome. I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, you can see a little green LED indicator light on this little guy. We're walking by the air conditioning unit there and walking to the back garden. Now the audio hopefully should sound good because this is part of our improvement after last week's initial kind of audio failures left and right. So we shall see. All the shows, if this works out as good as I think it will sound and look much, much more professional. And that's exactly what I want. So if this works, click like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment. And we'll talk to you on the flip side. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy, and this is my garden.